Most people use AI like a search engine, asking questions in a web browser and reading the answers. Today, we are setting up Claude Co-work to operate directly inside your local desktop environment. In the next few minutes, we will move your AI out of the browser entirely and establish a secure, executing workflow on your actual machine. For this, you need a computer, an active Claude account, and strict security protocols when handling local files. Moving the computing layer from a cloud-hosted sandbox to your local machine allows Claude to interact with your terminal and directories natively. Step 1 is acquiring the software. Download the Claude desktop application from Anthropic's website, install it, and sign in to authenticate your account. Once you open the application, direct your attention to the top of the interface. You will see a workspace selector drop-down menu. By default, this is set to Chat. Click the menu and toggle your workspace into the Co-work option. Standard Chat runs entirely in a cloud container. It only sees what you paste into the window. Co-work runs computing directly on your local operating system. This switch gives Claude direct access to read your specific directories, modify your files, and execute local scripts. Completing this toggle enables Claude to run Python scripts and manage files directly on your machine. Because Co-work can modify files, we need to create an isolated sandbox. This provides a secure area to safely run your initial workflows. Inside the Co-work interface, click the Work in a Project button to begin defining this local boundary. Navigate to your local storage and create a completely new, empty folder. Name it Dev Playground. Find 3 random low-value files, like an old screenshot or a blank text document, and manually copy them into this new folder. Never link Co-work directly to your root documents or downloads folders during testing. A wrong command in a massive root directory can cause severe organizational errors. As you can see in this diagram, we keep our testing area completely separate. Point the Co-work path interface exclusively to your new dev_playground directory. Establishing this strict directory boundary up front is the only responsible way to experiment with autonomous file operations. Anthropic built a strict confirmation layer into Co-work. It intercepts every command to verify irreversible actions before they happen. This diagram shows the required protocol. Set security to Allow Once, the mandatory default for untested workflows, forcing a pause for explicit approval. Always Allow bypasses this entirely. Do not use this during calibration. An untested script could modify files without stopping. Now, type a prompt into the Co-work interface, commanding it to list all the files currently located within your dev_playground folder. When you submit that command, a security pop-up will appear. It is intercepting the prompt and waiting for your manual approval to proceed. Click Approve. Review the generated output. If the list perfectly matches the 3 dummy files you placed in the folder earlier, your setup is correct. Successfully reading that local folder proves that the active computing layer has officially transferred from the cloud down to your local machine. You have now successfully linked your local hard drive directly to a continuous reasoning engine. Keep the dev-playground folder on your system permanently. It will serve as your mandatory testing ground for all future custom skill development. Your core infrastructure is now active. With local access and necessary guardrails in place, you are ready to construct fully autonomous operations.